Hello students, so your question is the most common unit for measuring volume is option A is milliliter, option B is liter, option third is centimeter cube, option D is meter cube. Okay students, so before starting the solution, first we have to know that what do we understand by volume. So students, volume is the measure of the capacity that an object holds. Okay students, for example, if a cup of tea holds 100 milliliter of tea, that means it has the capacity to hold 100 milliliter of volume. So students, if we look at the given options, as you all know that metric units like milliliter, liter are normally used for measuring volume, and metric units like centimeter, millimeter, meter are normally used for measuring length. So after seeing all the possibilities students, our answer will be between milliliter and liter. So our correct answer will be option B, that is liter students, which is expressed by the symbol L. So students, milliliter is used to measure any volume that is smaller than 1 liter. Okay students, so whenever the volume is smaller than 1 liter, milliliter unit will be used, and whenever the volume will be greater than 1 liter, then normally your liter unit will be used for measuring volume. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.